Hello, this is Gary from our Paradise Farm, Brat, Florida. This is prepping to take the doors down. Once the doors down, I will be putting siding up. And I'm going to pre-paint the siding so I don't have to do it after the doors are up or it's on. So it'll be pre-painted in advance. And I'm going to show the inside. Okay, here's the inside. We're doing just reverse order as we put it up. I blocked the outside so it wouldn't fall, and then the inside, we blocked it up on the inside, and then we set it up and glued it or screwed it in place. So we'll do the reverse now for the other side. I am using this side to figure out slider and how to deal with the slider. I'm going to go an inch down plus whatever I need to do up top. The door is sliding 5 feet, which comes partially into the opening of the door, and I got that curvature to deal with. Follow along, have a great day, and talk to you later.